Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more real estate and investment tips. All the links mentioned in this review, including resources related to Homey, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Homey platform. Homey, a real estate platform, is designed to simplify and reduce the cost of buying, selling, and investing in properties. Unlike traditional real estate agents who charge commission-based fees, Homey operates on a flat-fee pricing structure. This, combined with its tech-driven tools and dedicated in-house support team, makes Homey a potentially attractive option for real estate investors and homebuyers seeking a more affordable and streamlined experience. A key feature of Homey is its flat-fee model. Instead of paying a percentage of the sale price, users pay a fixed fee, which can translate to significant savings, potentially thousands of dollars per transaction. For investors involved in frequent buying and selling, these savings can accumulate rapidly, making Homey a truly cost-effective solution. Furthermore, Homey offers a comprehensive suite of services, encompassing property searching, financing options, insurance, and title services, all conveniently accessible within a single platform. This integrated approach eliminates the need to coordinate with numerous service providers, saving valuable time and simplifying the entire transaction process. Homey also empowers investors with tools to analyze market data and identify properties aligned with their specific investment objectives. The platform's technology-driven interface streamlines every phase of the transaction, from listing a property to exploring investment prospects. Both the app and website provide a user-friendly experience for managing the entire process efficiently. Investors can readily upload listings, schedule showings, and negotiate offers, all within the Homey platform. Another notable advantage is Homey's dedicated in-house support team, comprised of experienced agents, attorneys, and other real estate professionals. This team is readily available to address any questions or concerns that may arise throughout the transaction. Although the platform minimizes reliance on traditional agents, this supplementary support ensures users are not left to navigate the complexities of real estate transactions alone. However, it's essential to acknowledge that Homey's services are currently available only in specific markets, so geographic availability might be a limiting factor depending on your location. Additionally, while the flat-fee model offers substantial cost savings, it might not provide the comprehensive, full-service experience that some investors seek. In summary, Homey presents an appealing platform for real estate investors and buyers aiming to reduce transaction costs and streamline the buying or selling process. Its flat-fee pricing, integrated services, and technology-driven tools position it as a compelling option for budget-conscious investors. Click the links in the description to learn more about Homey and determine if it's the right platform to support your real estate investment journey. This review aims to help you assess whether Homey aligns with your specific property investment goals and requirements.